Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on replacing the motor, blade, and panel of your Thermomix TM31. In this tutorial, we will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the task efficiently. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm spanner, and a pair of pliers. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Safety is paramount, so take a moment to double-check that it is disconnected from the power source. Once confirmed, place the appliance on a stable surface to prevent any accidents during the repair. Next, we will remove the base of the Thermomix. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws located at the bottom of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, exposing the internal components. Now, let's focus on the motor. The motor is secured with additional screws, which you will need to remove using the 10mm spanner. Carefully detach the motor from its housing, taking note of how it is connected. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert advice at your fingertips. With the motor removed, it's time to replace the blade. The blade is typically held in place by a locking mechanism. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose. Once the blade is free, clean the area thoroughly to remove any residue or food particles. This is crucial for the longevity of your appliance. If you're considering a full service, we also provide collection and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to have your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient solution. After cleaning, install the new blade by reversing the removal process. Ensure it is securely locked in place. Next, we will reattach the motor. Align it correctly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. It's essential to ensure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any operational issues later. Now let's move on to the panel. If your panel is damaged or unresponsive, it's time for a replacement. Carefully disconnect the old panel by unscrewing it from the main body. Again, keep track of the screws. Once removed, install the new panel by following the reverse steps. Make sure all connections are secure and that the panel is properly aligned. Before reassembling the base, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe down any surfaces, ensuring there is no dust or debris left behind. This will help maintain the performance of your Thermomix. Finally, reattach the base by aligning it with the main unit and securing it with the screws. Once everything is in place, plug your Thermomix back in and perform a test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or if this seems too tricky, remember we offer a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs involved before proceeding. This way, you can make an informed decision about your appliance's maintenance. Thank you for following this guide. With these steps, you should now have a fully operational Thermomix TM31 ready to ask. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.